So this is our big machine with the valve here. And we set the time and temperature, and then press this one to start. So this is the control panel to set the temperature. Select the yellow button. So temperature can change from 90 to 0. To select the hour, that's this one, up and down with the white arrow. Then to select the minute, press this one. When the minute is flash, then we can change with the white arrow up and down. When the temperature and the time is set, and we can press the green button to start ultrasonic.